Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. Today we're going to be talking about selling at Macy. So if you have a great consumer product, this little training will give you some things to think about in regards to Macys.com. With that said, let's get started on today's training. So let's talk about selling at Macy's and Macys.com. Macy's is a retailer that is a department store. It's been around for a very long time. It is one of the most widely sought after department stores you can sell to. They have over 500 stores they're currently responsible for. They sell clothing, footwear, accessories, handbags, jewelry, cosmetics, fragrances, bedding, bath, furniture, decor, housewares, appliances, electronics, toys, giftware, and more. They have product categories plenty for anyone who's trying to generate revenue with their consumer products brand. So a lot of times people don't think about this retailer if you have, say, a consumer electronics product or other things. And so I wanted to talk about Macy's just in general, and also some quick tips and strategies on generating revenue with becoming a Macy's vendor. So first of all, they have 500 stores or more they're responsible for. That is a multi-million-dollar deal if your product sells well. So that really means that retailers like Macy's, if you succeed with them, it could be a winner for everyone. Because when you start with a retailer that has that kind of volume, and again, these retailers are selling locations off, all sorts of things they're doing, but for now we'll just assume they have that many stores. It's a strong possibility that if you sell to them and it converts, lots of money coming your way, and it can change the trajectory of your life. I've seen people who have clothing brands and finally got that order. It's a very big deal for you. And so also, people are very aware of Macy's because they have flagship stores, which is another thing to consider. So first of all, it's that it's a big hit retailer, a lot of money there. You have to take it very seriously if you go after them, which means that this is a corporate relationship. This isn't you showing up with no knowledge of Macy's and how to work with them. This is one of those retailers where you have to go in really strong when you pitch your product to them because it's such a big opportunity. The other thing is they have flagship stores, and that means that basically they have a New York location, right, where it's an entire street. They have the Macy's Day Parade and Thanksgiving, really well-known, established locations. And because of that, you can sell to them on a corporate level, meaning you can sell to all their stores with their corporate buyers, but they also have the ability to test products in individual stores like their Herald Square location. So the bottom line is that you possibly didn't know that you can sell to them sometimes for a test in one store, which means that you could try to work a deal to do that as well. A lot of retailers don't have these types of setups, but because it's so large, they test a lot of unique products in these flagship stores. Considering the fact that it's an entire street filled with products, you basically have the opportunity to possibly just start there. So that's a very big deal. So just be aware that you can go after Macy's and maybe just sell to one of their stores if you're freaking out over whether or not you can handle the volume of a retailer like Macy's. Now, the thing about Macy's is that they are looking for diverse suppliers. Diverse suppliers mean a lot to them because their customers are diverse. So if you get the opportunity and you have the ability to do, please get certified either as a women-owned business or minority-owned company or a veteran-owned business and so forth. Really, what you need to do is be 51% owned by either a woman or minority and show proof and get certified for that. The reason you want that is because Macy's spends a lot of time building out their business with suppliers that are diverse because they're looking to match their clientele. They're just trying to make money. Usually a diverse clientele requires some diverse suppliers. You getting certified means a lot to Macy's. The final thing I want to mention with Macy's is that they're really building out their online presence. They basically currently have more online present than you would ever think. They have basically 30 million people coming to their site every single month as of this moment. That's a very big deal. And that means that if you can't get into their stores, you can definitely explore selling to them online. And they've worked really hard to be a top 100 online destination. And the reason we're saying that is because not a lot of retailers won that race. Macy's did in regards to volume online. And that's wonderful for people who are just getting started because they have a lot of eyeballs, a lot of people going to their website, and you can participate in that. It's a lot easier for them to work with you online. And they have different buyers who buy for the online market. They are starting to build out marketplaces and doing all sorts of things in regards to getting people traffic online for the department store category. And that's very rare, and it's very exciting for people like you. So those are just a few things to consider in regards to Macy's. Don't ignore their online presence. They definitely are looking for products to be placed on their website, and they're working really hard, and they have a lot of people that are probably not coming to your website. So with that said, if you want to learn how to actually reach out to Macy's, how to talk to buyers, how to get them to buy, please explore what we do. Retail MBA is our website, retailmba.com. We basically teach people how to approach, pitch, and sell to retailers like Macy's, and we would love to support you and generate millions of dollars with your business and your bottom line. We also have videos and trainings in regards to every type of product retailer imaginable. So please take a look at our channels, keep in touch with us, and or come to one of our events or explore our done for you services. We're here to help you. Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. Thank you for your time.